Hi, and welcome to week 8 of CNET56. Let me just show you a brief overview of what this week looks like. Let me share my screen. All right, so here I am logging on to Mount SAC. I'm going to go to Canvas. Let that load up. All right, so if I go to one of the CNET56s here, if we look at week 8 on the modules, you'll notice it's very similar to the previous weeks. We have our discussion, we have the lecture, we have a quiz, we have lab, here's the lab document, and then we also have the midterm this week. All right, so the midterm is available from Monday at 12:01 a.m. to Sunday at 11:59 p.m. It's 100 questions. You have 90 minutes to take the exam. So make sure you have gone through this study guide and you're pretty well-versed in what those topics are, and then you shouldn't have a problem with the midterm. If you've done all the quizzes up to this point, including this week's, you will probably see some of those questions or similar questions on the midterm. All right, then the next thing I want to talk about briefly, and I'm not going to do a video to show you how to do this because I try to make the pictures and the description as clear as possible. So basically in Packet Tracer, you're going to build this topology and you're going to assign the server this IP address, and you're going to turn on DHCP, which I have screenshots here. So put in the start and then the number of clients, click save, go to PC 0 and PC 1, and by default they're on static, but they will, you want them on DHCP. And when you wire this up, this lab, if you just use the auto wire, it will select the right wire. And then you'll notice this laptop and the tablet, they automatically get an unsecured connection to the default SSID. So we're going to go in and set up some security on the wireless. So we're going to click on port 1 on the access point, change the SSID to CNET, and then use WPA.psk with this password. You can change this password to whatever you want. Just make sure when you set up your clients that you use the same password here, right? Then the last thing we're going to do is go in and edit the website on the server. And you'll put in this line here. This is Lab 8 in CNET56. And then instead of by Ken Miller, do by your name, right? So don't put my name in there. And then from any of the PCs, you can put in the IP, click on web browser in the desktop. So this is from the tablet. And if you put 192.168.1.1 in there, you'll get your web page. You should see the web page. Then at the on this lab, I want the following screenshots. Let's take a screenshot that shows the IP address of the server, PC 0, PC 1, laptop, tablet, and then a web browser to 192.168.1.1 from the tablet and one from the laptop, right? And that's it. So that lab is pretty straightforward. And it, you might run into some stuff with where's this and where's that. I have pictures that will show you how, where do you turn on the laptop? Like, for example, to remove the network card and put in the wireless card, you have to turn off the laptop. But there's screenshots that show that. All right, so have a good week, and I'll see you in lab.